If you're thinking of a more practical way to use AI, try picking a fight with it. I am hella argumentative and I question everything, especially myself. AI is often used to generate ideas or validate current thinking, but it is actually super effective when it acts as a contrarian counterpart, the one who challenges your logic to make the final output stronger. The strategy is simple. Instead of asking AI to agree with you, ask it to disagree. And Lord, do you have to make sure to ask it to disagree. You can use specific prompts to find gaps in your logic. Try asking, "Why is this a bad idea?" Or, "Argue with me like a skeptical customer." You can also ask for the opposite strategy or to identify flaws you might be missing. When the model pushes back, you get sharper angles and stronger messaging. It forces you to address blind spots before you go to market. It is essentially a creative sparring partner that is always available and never takes it personally if you disagree with its feedback. If you want stronger ideas, do not just validate them, pressure test them.